Good afternoon, Room 23 students. Today we're going to talk about how to pass tomorrow's math test, the Chapter 4 math test. So I'm going to go over the review you did today. You are going to get a piece of paper and a pencil, and you're going to write down all of the things that you want me to review before the test. These are going to be your comments tonight. So right now we're going to go over to the whiteboard. The first thing you need to know how to do is to divide with a single-digit divisor. Those problems look like this. 2 into 250, single-digit divisor. 2 into 2 goes one time. We're going to subtract that 2. We are going to get 0. Bring down the 5. 2 goes into 5 2 times. We subtract 4. We get 1. That's 10. 2 goes into 10 5 times. Single-digit division. Good job. Now we're going to move on to double-digit divisor division. Double-digit division is going to look something like this. 25 into 550. 25 goes into 55 2 times. 2 times 25 is 50. We subtract, get 5, bring down the 0. 25 goes into 50 2 times. That is double-digit divisor division. If this gives you trouble, write it down. The third bit of division you're going to need to know for tomorrow's test is how to divide when there is a decimal in the dividend. That sort of problem looks like this. 17.27 divided by 2. We did this problem today in your blue packet, so you can review it on your own. But remember, the most important thing about this is the first thing you do is to take that decimal, put it up on the line right above where it sits in the problem, then destroy the decimal in the problem. Then you are all set to begin. Next, you're going to have to represent your remainder in many different forms. If you end up with a remainder of 25 in a division problem, you're going to have to show me how to write that division as a fraction, and as a decimal, and as a whole number. Whole number part's easy. That's a whole number. As a fraction, you are going to write the part, which is the remainder, over the divisor, which might be a number like 41. You will also have to represent it as a decimal number. So you will have to continue dividing with zeros until you get a number that might look like this. That's a decimal answer. That will be on the test tomorrow. Another piece that will be on the test are word problems. For instance, Tammy has 250 photographs. She has to tape them into 10 photo albums. How many pages will she need to tape all of her photos in the album? How many pages? We don't know. You have to write a number sentence, such as 250 divided by 10 equals P. Look at that. Then you have to tell me the solution. The solution would be 25 pages. If there is a remainder, you're going to have to tell me what to do with that remainder and how you got there. The last part you're going to have to know is about using exponents. If you have an x which is equal to 5 minus 3, that'll give you 2. If you have to square that 2, you're going to get 4. If you remember all of this, you'll do excellent on the test. See you tomorrow.